little cold start before we install the carbon fiber trim. Alright, so we're in the Mach 1 right now. I'm going to be changing the panels right here to carbon fiber because I really hate how that looks. It looks cheap. You know, for the price of these cars, Ford did cheap out on a few low spots, like right there too in this part of the door. I hate how it just gets dirty so easy. Just a fingerprint will stick on it. I hate those kind of touches that get dirty too easy. But yeah, I got my little guy today. His mom's getting ready right now, and we drove the Mach 1 everywhere yesterday, so the Mach 1's pretty freaking dirty. But once I get these nasty seats replaced with my aftermarket racing seats I have in the garage right now, I haven't had time to do it. I've been painting the house and all kinds of work. Here, baby, sit down. Come on. Spend time with Daddy. Here, sit down. Here's your baba. Baby baba. Hold it. He doesn't want it. Hold the baba, baby. No? You don't want to hold it? Huh? No? You just want to hang out? So we're going to get this trim put on, and then we're going to hit up the mall today in the truck. Mach 1's not being driven today. They're saying it even might snow in Chicago after all week being in mid to upper 80s all week, and now it's gonna snow. So that's Chicago for you, but whatever. But next I'm gonna get this carbon fiber, and then I'm pretty much done with the carbon fiber. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. I'm also gonna give carbon fiber right here where you can see the dirt spot from kicking it. We did a lot of walking yesterday and we were in some rocks. But I also have that coming where all this is going to be carbon fiber. I don't know if it covers up here though. I know it covers around here, and then that way it kind of acts like a little kick plate in a way. But yeah, that's it. I'm not going super crazy with the carbon fiber. I already have it right here. I have it a little bit right there, and then obviously the center, and then the steering wheel. But that's all I'm going to do, I think. I'm not going to add any more. I don't want to overdo it. And then oh yeah, never mind, I got the speakers carbon fiber, so this is coming in and then this is coming in, and then I'm done. I'm wrong, sorry about that. But yeah, it's not gonna be overloaded with carbon fiber, but yeah, it's gonna have a little bit of touch. I think it's some of the parts that Ford should have done in the first place. But yeah, I'll show you the finished product. I'm gonna put it on right now. All right guys, so I got it installed right here, and then guess what? There was an issue. I gotta send this back because I can't do the passenger side because they sent me two for the driver's side door. I'm supposed to get one for the passenger door too, so I can't do the passenger door. But that's how it looks. I think it looks good. And we had all these car shows planned for today. It was supposed to be a good day of car shows, and I was gonna make content, but it decided to rain because yes, I had a beautiful week, and then when I wait for today, this guy's wet. He's coming out in the rain. I also got this visitor. And then yeah, we had this day planned for car shows and stuff. I could have went to one yesterday, but yeah, of course, it's gonna just rain out of nowhere. And now they're saying snow. So
this is my dad's channel, and you could go check out my channel if you want. This is my YouTube. This is my name.
Jackson Spallone.
I tried switching up on my
My son, he's a
but it
flapper.
didn't work.
He likes to talk. Yeah. So, alright, guys. Well, I'd like to say thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe. Again, these are these two little young Mikes right here. My two little boys. They're big time Mustang fans.
Why did you call me that? I'm 6 years old now.
Okay, you're still a baby to me. But yeah, guys, alright. Like and subscribe. I'm going to have some more content coming soon. Thank you. Bye.